Now, here's something a lot of teams get wrong. And I can't tell you how many times people have asked me, Gabrielle, what is the difference between marketing and non-marketing contacts in HubSpot? So here it is. A marketing contact is a contact who actively engages you via the Marketing Hub tools, such as a marketing email or an ad. And these contacts count towards your marketing contact limit within your HubSpot subscription. On the other hand, there is no limit to how many non-marketing contacts you can have. These are contacts that remain in your database, but you're not using any marketing tools to reach them. So, for example, a non-marketing contact can be enrolled into an email sequences because sequences are part of the Sales Hub. But they can't be sent a marketing email because a marketing email is part of the Marketing Hub. Regularly audit your contacts and mark any unengaged, unsubscribed, and bounce emails as non-marketing contacts so you never have to pay for them. And here's how you can change the marketing contact status. So first up is via the form settings. When someone fills out a form, you can automatically set a marketing or non-marketing status. Next, during an import, when you upload a file of contacts, you can choose to make them all marketing contacts or just have a column in your spreadsheet marking the contact type. Third, use a workflow. So you can set up automated rules to change a contact's marketing status based on certain actions. So for example, if someone bounces, trigger a workflow to automatically set them as non-marketing. Lastly is a manual update. You can update a contact's marketing status one by one on the record or as many as you want from a list.